Making a purchase, such as an URB-E, can be a pretty emotional decision. And with 77% of transactions occurring through the URB-E website, it's critical to build an online presence that not only stands out from the competition, but helps create a connection to our customers that ignites a feeling of ownership. Luckily, I have SOLIDWORKS Sell to build an interactive, 3D-enabled website that allows our customers to create their own perfect URB-E that will elevate the user experience and drive more traffic. And it's simple, so let me show you how. We'll get started right inside of the same design environment that has been used to build the engineering model. Enabling the SOLIDWORKS Sell add-in brings up an easy-to-follow uploader to start creating a new product that'll be hosted right online. In this case, I'll start selecting each of the components depending on how I want our customers to configure. For example, the frame will have an option between the Sport and Sport GT model, along with some color options as well. Once the data is ready to publish to the web application, SOLIDWORKS Sell creates a lightweight mesh representation to ensure the best online performance, all while keeping the IP secure. From here, logging into the web application can be done from anywhere. All of the geometry is now represented online, and now can have material and geometry options created. For the URB-E Sport, we'll want to add a few different paint options for the end user to have at their fingertips. The guards red has already been uploaded from the engineering model, but the online material library is extensive and you can add unlimited material options. I'm going to add a black, white, and maybe a gray option for now. At this point, the interactive website is almost ready, but we need to include Sashi's Sport GT model. At any given time, I can jump back to SOLIDWORKS Desktop to grab any new geometry to swap out or include as an option for our end users. I also want to include some accessories, front and rear baskets, LED taillight, and of course, Jordan's awesome fender design. These can all be accessed by our end users to put into consideration for their perfect custom configured URB-E. Now, it's just a matter of hosting this live data on our branded website and let customers start enjoying their virtual showroom. Here they can rotate, zoom in and out, add options, all while experiencing dynamic live render preview of their future URB-E. SOLIDWORKS Sell makes it easy for any company to build an online, configurable presence that is sure to separate them from their competition. Do you want to learn more? Check out solidworks-sell.com and make sure to watch the rest of this video series to see what's next for you and URB-E.